Yeah. No more hikes for today. This one will do it. If you guys are tired, then whew.
How the hell are we getting it down? We're all completely cooked right now.
I know, we need to go down. Yeah.
I want to go up to the top though. Now that I see
It's like Everest summit fever.
Oh my gosh. I really want to go to the top now. I want to go over there actually.
Should we go make it before we go?
It's only like 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock Pacific time.
That means that we'll be down by dark. I'm kidding. No. We probably go twice the speed.
Dad, there's so many stupid flies.